PowerShell comes pre-installed on the Windows operating system. To access the application, click on the Home button and type in PowerShell. In order to install the JumpCloud module, you must be running Windows PowerShell version 4.0 or greater. To see which version of Windows PowerShell you're running, type in the command PS version table. You'll see I'm running version 5.1. Follow the link in this video's description to access this GitHub page for installing the JumpCloud PowerShell module. Here you can copy and paste out the command you'll need to install the JumpCloud module inside of Windows. After installing the module, you can discover the commands that are inside the JumpCloud module by running this command. This command will reveal all commands available within the JumpCloud PowerShell module.
Thanks for watching. Check out more videos in the JumpCloud Module PowerShell Day-to-Day Administration series.